Happy 2026, everyone. This is my New Year's pack opening. I have some retail Series 1 and 2 Topps 1997. Some Topps 2018 Series 2, Topps 1984, Topps 1983. This is Topps Series 2 2001, Minor League Topps 2011. This is Bowman 2011. And I have some Hoops 1990 Series 1 and 2, and a Skybox 1990. I apologize to not see that I did not have any base football. I didn't have any football packs to open up. I'm making my mission to probably have some next year, hopefully, for my Christmas or New Year's pack opening. It's ironic that I have all this baseball and no football, and football is like my second favorite sport. But I'm gonna start this off with movies out the way. Let's start this off with the Series 2. Actually, Series 2, 1997 retail. Hold on, my hands are sweating. I gotta cool these bad boys off. Hold on. All right. Feel free to get into the comments, share any of your stories of what you've collected this year. Anything cool you've picked up? Any steals and deals you've made? Cal Ripken. Yeah, okay. Dale Strawberry, one of my guys there. It's upside down. This is probably about to go to commercial. Let me share some little backstory on the 2018 Series 2 packs. I bought those offline on eBay. It wasn't a full box. I bought like a partially. I bought like half a box, half a hobby box. Have the packs been searched? Who knows? They could be resealed. Best case scenario, the owner of Bobby Witt, the owner of the hobby box, probably opened up packs until they found the I would say the auto. They found the auto and probably was like, yeah, let me go ahead and resell the rest of these packs. That's best case scenario. Worst case scenario, they done opened them up and decided to sell a half hobby box for some odd reason. Because why not sell a whole hobby box of resealed packs instead of half? But we're gonna find out. This is my first time opening up any packs from when I purchased it. I hadn't opened up any of them. Shoot, these are Greg Vaughn. Fortunately, in the 90s, like everybody got a card. Everyone. Unfortunately. Tony Clark. First sticky cards here. That's what retail gives you. That's what retail gives you. This is Series 2. This stack is a little bit bigger. Let's see what we have in here. See if we can give us something decent here. It's not like I was really watching baseball in 1997. I really followed basketball and football and track and field for real. Uh-oh, we got some stickies. We got some stickies here. So when I do some stickies, you just do a little bit of that right there. A little exercise. Got us some Mark McGwire. Andy Pettit. Not bad, not bad. Dang. Upside down. Upside. There we go. I think this is stuck. This is stuck. No, it's not. Come on, let's get through this. Jason Giambi. Also someone I know. I don't know, but I remember. If anyone who sees this video knows any of these, okay, Sandberg knows some guys that I might have missed, didn't realize. Honestly, I don't remember most of these guys. Most of them didn't have that long of a career, so. All right, so I'm gonna go with. Let's go with the possible scam packs. Let's go with the possible scam packs. It took me eight and a half minutes to get to these. Let's go. You guys think these are resealed? Let me know. Hit me up in my comments. Let me know if you think these are resealed. Possibly, maybe. Who knows? Arnoldus Chapman, good pitcher, good pitcher. Andrew McCutchen, the All-Star. Okay, that's cool. Joey Votto. Best case scenario, these are not resealed and they just was like, yeah, let me go ahead and sell the rest of these. Got the audio out the auto out the box and just let the rest of them go. Corey Kluber, Mario Rivera, one more pack. Another All-Star, Derek Jeter. Oh, we got a Miguel Cabrera patch. I don't think these were searched, ladies and gents. I don't think these were searched. Ain't nobody about to give up a Miggy, not in their right mind. W. Got this future Hall of Famer, Miggy, Miguel Cabrera. Sorry we couldn't bring home a championship for you, buddy. Sure enough got paid, though. Oh, wait a minute. We haven't... I forgot. I got the other half of the Series 1, 1997. Probably don't even want to go through it after you've seen that. This is sticky. Prospects. Let's see who we got. Let's see who we got. Prospects. No, none that I can say recognize any names. What's this? Alex Sanchez. Yeah, recognize the Alex Sanchez. Is it stuck together? It is. Most definitely is. Baseball is literally like one of the hardest sports to make it in. So you're going to come across all these prospects. You're gonna be like, who are these guys? Remember these guys? They come and go. They come and go. Jackie Robinson tribute. That's nice. Retail pack. Retail, yeah. Oh, Dwight Gooden. Another Hall of Famer. Mike Piazza. It's upside down. Let's fix these. Stuck together here. If you hate my content, comment for me. Let me know what I can fix. What can I improve on? Because I have a lot of improvement to go. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up. Got a reprint here of Mickey Mantle. Retail pack. Nice. It's guaranteed, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It's a guaranteed a Mickey Mantle reprint in every box, if I'm not mistaken. Mickey Mantle, or it was another player. Clean. If you want to be notified when I post these videos, hit the notification bell after you subscribe. Let's go with the basketball. How about we go? Let's switch it up. Let's go to basketball. Let's go to the hoops. Let's start with Series 2. This is definitely something from my childhood. I have cards from my original collection as a kid. We got some, okay. We got some inserts in here. Michael Jordan, number 65, if I'm not mistaken, right? 60 for the Jeffrey. And we got the Mark Price. That boy the ball. Swear to God. Look at that. Pretty cool art. I like it. It's a checklist. For some reason, I really like the Daryl Griffin card. Some more art. I like it, shows the artist too. Pretty cool. Oh, Nick Anderson, rookie. Nice. That wasn't a bad pack. That is what's up. Let's see here. Let's get that out the way. Got me some wall art. Don't know what the hell to do with it. For real. It's gonna be my wall art for now. Terry Cummins. Vlade Divac, and I'm not sure who the other gentleman is. Jeff Martin rookie. Never seen this insert before. Oh, it's Coach, okay. Not going to try to pronounce that name at all. Bob Wise. I think I. Okay, okay. Yeah, I remember Bob Wise. Got me an Isaiah. Stay in school. Okay, okay. Moses Malone, Hall of Famer. Jeff Malone. This is that was a Sears 2-pack. This is Sears 1. I also do, you can tell if you look at my channel, I also do the comic books as well. Just started getting back into comic books this year. Buck Williams. Another Nick Anderson rookie. Nick Anderson is one of those guys. I don't know if he's ever be I don't think he's going to be a Hall of Famer, but he was one of those guys that can ball for sure. Sean Kemp rookie. Kevin Johnson, one of my favorite point guards in the 90s. A little light pack. Chris Mullin. Sean Elliott rookie. Okay, okay. I like it. Steve Kerr with the Cavs. Irvin Johnson All-Star. Okay. Vernon Maxwell. Straighten some of these cards out real quick here. Bear with me, I'm trying to straighten these cards out. Next, I'm gonna open up that the Skybox pack. Let's get this Skybox on the road. Skybox's first year. Oh, come on. Scott Hastings. Daryl Griffin again. Mad Max. Upside down. I think they're all upside down. Dana Barros. Forgot he played for the Supersonics. Rick Schmidt. Steve Kerr. The Cavs. Irvin Johnson in this. I would say Irvin Johnson. He's a GOAT. He's a Laker GOAT for sure. Let's finish this off with some baseball. Let's go with the 2001 Series 2. Oh, I hope it's not sticky. Hold on. Let's do a little exercise here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, cracking backs. Sticky icky. Don't tell me this is supposed to be the best card in... Oh no. Got it everywhere. Alex Rodriguez. No. Why? And this card is virtually like it's a little damaged, but damn broski. It's all good. Got the Killer Brew. We got a whole Killer Brew right here. Noteworthy. Got a team picture of the Marlins. Got some prospects here, none of which I recognize. Some Yankees team picture. Some more prospects. Draft picks, actually. Of gentlemen who once were. Let's go with this 2011 minor league. I will have for the comic book lovers, I'm going to have a comic book opening as well. 2011, let's go. Starting off with, oh, okay, no. Bryce Harper. Show some love. Bryce is in the building. No stats. Will be first professional season. 2011 will be his first professional season. There we go. We got that. Actually, pack was... Bryce Harper pulled a lot of weight in that pack. He pulled all the weight. He pulled all the weight. For sure. Let's go, Bryce. Let's go with the 1984 Topps. Fresh from a sealed box that I purchased. I'm not worried about these being searched. I know about the wax packs. I've been burned. You can see in my early videos. Oh wow. Even got some residue on that one. There. Y'all want some bubble gum? Shit. I give it to you. You want some? You want to take a bite? Want to take a piece? Yeah. Look at that. Bubblegum resin. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Let's get these cards on the road, though. Go ahead and fill that out and mail that in. Will they honor it? We don't know. 1984. I know my videos, these videos are pretty long, so if you get bored, just fast forward through them. Just fast forward. That's what I do. Joe Morgan. Okay. Joe Morgan, what is he? He go back to 1963. Yeah. Joe Morgan, brother. Ricky. Come on, Ricky. Ricky! Yeah. Got a little bit of, got a little bit, you know what, on there. It's all good. Ricky with the glue. Ricky with the glue. He'll steal the base and he'll steal your hearts with all that speed. R.I.P. Ricky. I said rookie. Ricky. All right, let's go with the 1983. If that bubble gum if that bubble gum have lost flavor, well, let's get another piece. Let's grab us another piece. Let's grab us another piece of bubble gum. Ah, it's broken up. Why? Why? Still flavorful though. It is so. Kill somebody with that. Ugh. All right, these aren't. I got bubblegum residue on my hands at the crime scene. Let's go. 1983. See what it gives us. Dale Murphy. Jericho. Great. What we got here? Guerrero. Okay. It's not Guerrero. No, that's not him. That's not him. That's not Vlad Guerrero. Okay. It's Pedro Guerrero. Let's go. Ted Simmons. Hey, that was a light. That pack was super duper welterweight. Unfortunately, it's all good. Let's finish this off. For Bowman 2011. 32 cards left in this break. Let's go. What you got for us 2011? Got Bryce Harper on the front, giving us some luck. Maybe he show up to the party. Don't get it confused. These are not autographs. These are not autographs. Evan Crawford. Okay. Are these? What the hell? Oh, that's a Bryce Harper. Okay, cool. I'm looking at this crap. I'm confused because like they have the card section off. These are Bowman first. JD Martinez? Nah. I wouldn't be familiar with a JD Martinez. It sounds familiar though. Let me know if JD Martinez was somebody of note. I think I'm getting confused with or DJ Martinez or something like that. JD Martinez. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Some rookie here. Got an orange. Jeremy Jeffries. Spelled totally different than normal. This is a 20. Is this out of 25? Nope, it's out of 250. 101 out of 250. Never heard of him. 2011. A lot of came and went. Okay, looks like good to go. These are the Chrome cards. Ty Morrison. Checklist. Bryce Harper with the Bowman Best. If I'm not mistaken, this might be a Bryce Harper rookie. 2010, I guess. Oh, that's college. Okay, yeah, this is like a Bryce Harper rookie. This is a Bryce Harper rookie. Let's not say like. It is. This is a top 100 prospect. Mark Rogers, rookie. Have no idea who he is. This is an auto. Chris Sale, rookie auto. Give it up. What in the... I didn't know Chris Sale was a rookie in this. Give it up. Come on with it. Beautiful, beautiful. Chris Sale. Is it numbered? It is numbered out of 500. 483. We got a Chris Sale rookie. Bryce Harper Bowman Best rookie. We're seeing Bryce Harper in the Washington jersey, huh? Let's get it. Chris Sale, and that is it, folks. We have ended the break with some fire and desire. Appreciate you. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I will be making another video with comic books, and I appreciate you all, and I'll see you next video.